Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to make buttermilk biscuits. And to get started, in this bowl I've got 3 cups of self-rising flour. And to that I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And to that I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir this up, make sure it's good and combined. And to my flour mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of shortening. Now I'm going to take my pastry blender, and if you don't have a pastry blender, you can use 2 knives. And I'm just going to blend it in until it's the size of small breadcrumbs. And once you have your shortening blended in, what you want to do is take 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, slowly add it in, and after each addition, go ahead and take a spatula and work it in there. Go ahead and stir it up. Okay, now once you have it combined, go ahead and scrape it out onto a well-floured surface. Once you have it on your surface, you don't want to mess with it too much with your hands. You just want to make sure it's not too sticky. So that's good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pat it out to about a 1/2 inch thick. And I like doing it this way better than a rolling pin, because this way you can always tell if it's gonna want to stick. And if it sticks to a rolling pin, it tears it apart, so I like doing it this way. Okay, with your dough patted out, go ahead and take a biscuit cutter. I don't have one big enough, so I'm just going to use a glass. And you want to make sure that you roll it, or you put the cutting edge in flour so it doesn't stick. And just go ahead and cut your biscuits. And now with my biscuits cut out, I've gone ahead and put them on a parchment lined baking sheet. You want to put them so they're at least 1 inch apart. And go ahead and put them in a 450-degree oven for 12 minutes. Well, here they are. They just came out of the oven. They're still really hot, so I can't eat one yet, but these are really good. They're actually a copycat biscuit recipe from a fast food place, so they're really good. I hope you get a chance to try them if you like buttermilk biscuits.